This is Megan Bosley, Assistive Technology Specialist and Speech Language Pathologist for District 203. I'm going to be showing you how to set up a initial configuration using Chat Editor. You can use Chat Editor during Zoom calls with your students to model language, and parents, you can also use it as home to model language on your home computer. Chat Editor can only go on a PC, it cannot go on a Mac. And if you are in district and have a district computer, you can have this pushed to your computer if you submit a help desk ticket right here. If you are downloading it from home, you would go to the Sautillo website. It is a free download that can be downloaded onto your computer. So once you have it downloaded, here you would click on Chat Editor to open it up. First, you're going to need to set up a configuration. Once you do this, you won't have to do it again. Something to know is that you're using this program to support both NovaChats and TouchChat on the iPad. So NovaChats are Sautillo's dedicated device. TouchChat is an application that is the same as the dedicated devices, but it's on an iPad. A little bit of the difference here is that some of the NovaChats that we have might have PCS symbols on it. They are a additional purchase add-on. So that is what you're going to see here when you choose a configuration. When you create a new one, you're going to be choosing between PCS symbols and symbol sticks, which is what the default symbol or icons are for Sautillo and TouchChat. So when you get to the screen, you're going to drop down and select Create New Configuration. And you can select Skip Future Selections and use this one as a default. You're going to select NovaChat and Chat Fusion. Even if you are using TouchChat on the iPad, you're still going to select this. You're going to select English. Here, you have the option to select symbol sticks, PCS, or symbol sticks and PCS. Select the last one so you have both options. Select OK. And here I would just name this the same thing, symbol sticks and PCS symbols. We select OK. So now that you're in here, what you see displayed for me is the symbol sticks icons. However, you might have a blank screen. Chat Editor has all of the different vocabularies already loaded. So what you're going to do is go to Library, and you're going to go to English. Here you're going to see your options for symbol sticks, for PCS and symbol sticks. What I am going to tell you is that if you do not have a NovaChat, the PCS symbols, a NovaChat with PCS symbols already loaded onto it, the PCS symbols are not going to display. So if you just want to have an example vocabulary that's going to mimic your student's vocabulary, select symbol sticks. Here you're going to, once you open that up, you're going to see all these different options for vocabularies. Most of our students use, I'm going to scroll all the way down, word power vocabularies. So that means that they have a predictive feature in that the developer has developed these vocabularies specifically to reduce the amount of hits or selections. So it is going to start to predict what the developer thinks you are going to say once you select a button. Most of our students are on vocabularies that range from 25 icons all the way up to 80. So here's what this is the information you're going to want to find out from your student speech pathologist as to what vocabulary they are on. So I'm going to open up this 42 basic one and I'm going to say open. So you see the page has changed. So now this vocabulary should interact the same way as the device would. The only thing you will see is that similar to the PCS symbols not displaying unless you connect a NovaChat, the voice output will not occur unless you connect a NovaChat. This is kind of how their company gets you to purchase a dedicated device. That's really unnecessary to have the voice. If you are modeling, you are going to be saying these words as you're selecting them. So sometimes that adds another, um, it adds processing time for the student if they have to hear the button and process your voice saying at the same time. So I wouldn't worry too much about it not speaking the word that you're selecting. So you'll see here if I select, mine does speak because I've connected a NopaChat, but um, the page has changed based on what the developer thinks I'm going to say now that I've selected that. So I have went or go. If I select went, this page changes. That's that word power feature. And it's predicting what I think or what it thinks I'm going to say. So that reduces the amount of navigation for your student. Um, Once you've set up that configuration, every time you click on Chat Editor, it should just open up right into that vocabulary that you had selected. You do have the option, though, to navigate between different vocabularies. If you go to Library again, English, Symbol Sticks, and you scroll all the way down to Word Power, you can open up any of these. All right. Thank you for watching, and please email me, Megan Bosley, mbosley at naperville203.org if you have any specific questions about Chat Editor.